Look at the diagram. Click the Exhibit button to view the diagram. Regarding the network design, what is your opinion? Image. Option A. Design is fine, there is no single point of failure. Option B. If data LAN card fails on Tom, Tom has no backup solution to access the external network. Option C. If data LAN card fails on Tom, Tom has no backup solution to access Jerry. Option D. Tom and Jerry will both TOC. The correct answer is option A. What is the impact of a cluster failure? All nodes fail. Give the most important for you. Option A. Business impact due to lost transactions of the applications. Option B. Customer loyalty, the customer may not trust the MC/SG product anymore. Option C. Marketing image of both HP and the customer. Option D. You will have to investigate the log files for a possible cluster lock disk error. The correct answer is option A, B, C. Your customer has just received several crates and boxes of equipment to be installed. The hardware has been integrated at one of the HP integration centers. When you arrive on site, what is the first item you should unpack? Option A. Customer manuals. Option B. Equipment labeled in order. Option C. Licensing information. Option D. Solution information package. The correct answer is option D. You are consulting with a customer who greatly values the integrity of their data, for example, financial transaction. In addition, their system must remain online hours per day, days a week. What disk management strategy would you recommend? Option A. One-way disk mirroring plus journaled file systems with the advanced JFS products installed. Option B. Two-way disk mirroring plus journaled file systems with the advanced JFS products installed. Option C. Two-way disk mirroring plus high-performance file systems without advanced JFS installed. Option D. One-way disk mirroring plus high-performance file systems with advanced JFS installed. The correct answer is option B.